That sounded kind of gay.
Sounded very gay.
If you're fucking a bunch of dudes just because they're wearing green, you're still gay, dude.
Listen, dude. All I'm saying is, I got fuck. Let me tell you something. This guy right here might not be wearing a lot of green, but I
got a little bit of green, and my dick is dripping a little green pus.
That's right, dude. And he's got some green stuff growing on his balls. I don't know what the fuck it is.
It's called herpes. St. Patrick's herpes. Hey, not you, Blondie, the one behind you.
Yeah, the one behind you. We don't need to see your boobs, Blondie. We saw that slut behind you. She's what we call hot from a distance.
Yes.
Yeah, oh, I love you, dude.
She's hot. She's like a Mexican chick.
Fuck. You can fucking taste my Lucky Charm any day of the week.
Dude, Mexican chicks are fun to fuck. When you're done fucking them, they clean your apartment, dude.
Oh,
it's
fuck
awesome.
yeah. You know how to make them clean even faster?
How? Can you clean the toilet? Just come over here and bend over. I need the casino so. When I need a little, I'll make it my soldier. Give her the shotgun. Give her the shotgun. What? Give her the shotgun. That's awesome.
Hey.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, you fuckers.